So this is what your Stealth Bomber electric bicycle stem handlebars need to look like when you've got it installed correctly. You've got two spacers there above this collar looking thing and three spacers there. I don't know why this is so hard for other people in their videos to show this, but this was the hardest part and the most important part for me, because hardly any videos show you close-ups of this. And you need to temporarily take off the headlight to secure the 4 bolts for your handlebars. All right, there you go.